Hi, it's Les, and welcome to this short video about ChatGPT, how to use AI to write killer emails in seconds. Now, if you're like me, you're probably tired of spending hours trying to write that perfect email. Now, wouldn't it be great if you could hit send on killer emails in just a couple of seconds rather than wasting, what, half an hour, or maybe more? Well, what you'll learn in this video is going to show you how to do just that. I'm about to change your email game forever. All right, now we'll even write some emails together right here in the video, so keep watching for that. You want to see that. We're going to work smarter and not harder. We use AI and ChatGPT to write our emails literally in seconds. If you're someone who wants to up their email game dramatically, this video is for you. Right? Could I just ask you to support me, please, by quickly liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Hit the bell notification so I can send you more videos like this to help you. Thanks, I really appreciate your support. It helps a lot. Now, let's get on. Now, maybe you need to send an email with a job application. You might be applying for a credit card or emailing a doctor to book an appointment, for example. No problem at all. Quick and easy with what I'm about to share with you today. Say you use email in your job or for business. Imagine you need to send out a crucial email to potential clients or a large email campaign, but you're strapped for time. I'll now show you how you can harness the power of ChatGPT to write emails that not only save you time, but also boost your response rates and engagement. As well as that, I'm also going to share 3 real-world examples. We'll do 3 emails of ChatGPT writing emails in just seconds right here in the video, so keep watching. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to create an account with ChatGPT. It's really straightforward, so let's look at that first. So to get signed up for ChatGPT, you simply go to this URL here. It's https://chat.openai.com. And when you open up that URL, you'll be presented with this screen here. Now, I notice these days it looks as though you can use ChatGPT from the outside, but I would really suggest signing up just in case the functionality is better if you sign up. And you'll see sign up at the top here. If I click on that, and just like any other platform you sign up to, you'll be asked to create an account. Pop your email address in here. So I'll just put any email at anyemail.com just to get us started, and click on the continue. And as with any other system, you'll be asked to create a password. Once you've done that, you can actually generate a password here. Once you put your password in and gone through the process, you'll be signed up for ChatGPT, and you can log in and use ChatGPT on the other side, on the inside. Now let's dive into the magic behind this AI tool. ChatGPT is designed to understand context and generate human-like text based on your prompts. It's like having a professional copywriter at your fingertips 24/7. Check this out, me writing 3 great emails in just seconds. So I just want to show you quickly inside ChatGPT how easy this is. I have a couple of prompts here that I've prepared already. So let me cut and paste the first one into ChatGPT. And this prompt says, I am interested in collaborating with influencers in the fitness and nutrition industry who specialize in sharing healthy recipes and fitness tips with their audience. Please create a personalized message of no more than 150 words that communicates how my brand's new green juice, green but not grass, can help the influencers' followers improve their metabolic health and immune systems. So this is the prompt for ChatGPT. Let's just paste it in quickly. And right away you can see that ChatGPT comes up with a personalized email. And here it is. I hope this message finds you well. We believe your followers will benefit greatly, etc., etc. You can see in just a couple of seconds that ChatGPT has come up with an email. Now, let me just give you another example here. I've got another prompt I'll paste in here quickly. I'll give you 3 examples so you can see the power of ChatGPT when it comes to emails. So this one is, write an email to welcome my new subscriber, whose name is Kyle. Subject, welcome to our community, Kyle. Hi, Kyle. Blah, 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 blah. And again, ChatGPT has produced the email quickly and effectively, literally in seconds. Let's do one final one here. And you can play around with these prompts, make up your own prompts, experiment, see what works best for you. And what I do is if I find a prompt that works particularly well, I'll put it into a Google Doc and save it for later. So this one is, write an email to thank Mary Jane for helping me out by giving me a refund. Keep the tone grateful. You can tell ChatGPT what tone to use, and sincere, and make sure the email doesn't exceed 100 words. So you're telling it how long of an email to write. And again, within seconds, here's the output. Subject, thank you so much, Mary Jane. Hi, Mary Jane. I want to personally thank you for your help with the refund. Your prompt assistance and understanding mean a lot to me. It's rare to find such excellent customer service. I truly appreciate your effort in resolving this so quickly. Thank you again. I think you'll agree that's a pretty effective email that's being produced there inside ChatGPT in just literally a couple of seconds.
These examples are just the tip of the iceberg. With ChatGPT, the possibilities are literally endless. You can either tailor your emails to fit any content, tone, or audience with minimal effort. So if you want to save time and boost your email effectiveness, give ChatGPT a try, just as I've done here. Now, if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks like this to help with your email game, plus a bunch of other useful stuff that I do. All right, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao for now. Bye-bye.